Oh, cool. This is Power BI, and I love this kind of representation, right? Because we can see which city has data, which city doesn't. And that's actually super simple to do. So let's get rid of it so that I can show you. Very simple. On the right hand side, I have my data, and I just need to add data with a number so that I can represent it, but also with a notion of geography, right? So geography, for instance, here I have customer city. Customer city, I'll just drag it into my page, and automatically it's going to detect that it's a city. If we were to put a country, etc., it will detect it. So if it's a city, it's going to put a map directly. That's it. It's done for me. So of course what it's done is selecting the visual here, and the visual that he actually picked up is called city, is called geography over there, like world map. How is it called? How is it called? Map, very simply. But it does it for me if I just drag a number and the city, sorry. So now number, what do we do with number? Let's say we have amount sold, we want to visualize it. We can drag it into the size here, and now we have a little bit more of a space. A notion of quantity. So the map is going to change quickly, and now here we can see that we have more sell in North America than we, what is this, sorry. We have more sales around Asia than we have in America. Okay, quick tip.